to use the same WhatsApp account on two different phones without having to log out of the first phone. Officially, it's not yet possible to use the same WhatsApp account on two devices at the same time. Well, there is a workaround that allows users to use WhatsApp in more than two devices at the same time. So in this video, I'll show you how to do that. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you simply have to head towards any of the browser. I'm simply using the Google Chrome. After that, you simply have to search for WhatsApp web. After that, tap on the first exact website. Okay, so guys, once you'll search for that, simply tap on the three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the option named as desktop site. Now it will open up the desktop variant of the Google Chrome. For that, now you have to simply head towards the very first website. Such type of interface will open in front of you after the desktop variant. Now once you are on the screen, here it will give you a QR code. Now you have to scan the QR code with your WhatsApp. For that, you have to open up your WhatsApp from the other phone. Tap on the three little dots at the top right corner and head towards the option named as link devices. Once you are on this screen, simply tap on the button named as link a device. After that, you simply have to verify your fingerprint. Then it will open up a QR code scanner. Here you simply have to scan that previous QR code that we have find on the other phone, and after that your WhatsApp will be enabled in both of the phones. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.